What to do when you manifest something bad. Have you ever had a time when you manifested something bad, something you didn't want? Maybe your computer broke. Maybe you got into a massive argument with your partner or a friend that ended with them walking out the door, vowing never to speak to you again. Maybe you had a car accident. Or right when it seemed like you finally got a hand on this law of attraction thing and things were finally starting to look up for you, your washing machine stopped working, and your refrigerator, and your stove. Did you manifest these bad things? Of course not. You didn't manifest something bad, you manifested an opportunity to expand forward into the life you truly desire to live. When you first start applying the law of attraction, it's normal to try too hard, to try to do the law of attraction perfectly. It's normal to want your life to be a smooth, easy-flowing process where only positive experiences occur. But your life has to expand and adjust. You have to move out of your comfort zone in order to move forward into the life you desire to create. Your life will go through a period of readjustment. You are no longer a match to what you have created and you have to make room for new stuff, people, things, experiences to come into your life. If you perceive this period of time where your life is readjusting as negative, or if you judge any part of your life or anyone in it as negative, you create a tremendous negative vibration in your field of energy that can only produce a negative manifestation in return. If you become so focused on negativity that it is all you think and speak about, you will attract more negativity to you. This will happen whether you judge a shift in your life, a readjustment, as negative or if you consider that you manifest it as negative. It's like a double-edged sword where you're damned if you see the opportunity for positive expansion as negative and damned if you see something that you created as being negative. Either way, you send out a negative vibration that manifests more negative experiences. When you continue to create what appears to be negative experiences in your life, it's because you are judging the reality you are creating based on what you see occurring in your life right now. You are also attached to your desires, failing to realize that it may take some time for them to manifest. What you are experiencing right now is based on thoughts you have thought in the past. You have to give the world around you a chance to catch up. These perceived negative experiences are based on what you created in the past. They are not indicative of your new vibrational set point, your new thoughts, your new feelings, or your conscious implementation of the law of attraction. Don't focus on these negative experiences. Don't believe in them. When you manifest, you place an order with the universe. Once you place your order, you don't know what is happening. A massive universe is responding to you, answering your request, but all you see is what your eyes tell you, all you can hear is what your ears tell you, but there is so much more going on. You're only picking up on a small fraction of what is happening to bring your manifestation into existence. What should you do when you believe you've manifested something bad? When you believe you have manifested something bad, use it as a catalyst to speed up how quickly you manifest your true desires. You do this by adding a positive feeling to the bad thing you manifested. This instantly transforms it, allowing something positive to manifest. It has the power to create immediately. Look for the gift in the negative experience. This adds powerful energy to the law of attraction. If your computer broke, how can that be a gift? Does it now allow you to purchase a new computer that will help you expand your business, get your message out to more people, and make you a lot more money? If you got into a massive argument with your partner or friend, how can this be a positive experience? Did it bring up some important issues that you need to discuss that will allow you to make your relationship even stronger than before? Does it give you an opportunity to improve your communication skills so that you can have more constructive conversations in the future? If you were in a car accident, how does it benefit you? Will you now be able to get a car that is more reliable and that you enjoy driving even more? Does it give you the opportunity to meet some amazing people you wouldn't have met otherwise? If it seems like everything in your life is breaking, what is the gift? How is it giving you the opportunity to upgrade different areas of your life? Have you just been making do with a stove that functions, and now you have the chance to get one that makes cooking easier and faster? Whenever you manifest something you perceive as bad, ask yourself, what wonderful opportunity is this bringing me? What is the gift?